Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix error, the server stumbled, we all have bad days, refresh the page. Chapter 1. How to fix error, the server stumbled, we all have bad days, refresh the page with command. To start, enter the WS reset command on the search box. Click on the command. How you can view a new terminal open and the Windows Store will open. Chapter 2. How to fix error, the server stumbled, we all have bad days, refresh the page, set DNS. To start, in the search box, enter view. Select view network connections. After this, you must right-click over the network adapter. Choose Properties. In this window, select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. After, check the following DNS server addresses. Enter the IP at the public DNS. Click on OK to apply changes. Chapter 3. How to fix error, the server stumbled, we all have bad days, refresh the page, changing time zone. To start, enter date in the search box. Select date and time settings. After, on the time zone section, you can select a new location. After this, click on Sync Now to apply this change. Chapter 4. How to fix error, the server stumbled, we all have bad days, refresh the page from services. To begin, enter services in the search box. Click on Services. Now select the Windows Update service. Double-click on this service. After, on the field Startup type, choose Automatic. Click on Apply and OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.